trigonometry math solution. Cos cube theta plus sin cube theta. By 10 theta plus sin theta. A cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus b plus b square. So, cos theta is equal to a. A is equal to cos theta. Okay, cos theta. And b is equal to sin theta. Sin theta. Okay. So, a plus b square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. Then I have to turn cos theta sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta correct. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin theta cos theta. 1 by 2, 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin theta. 1 minus 1 by 2 sin theta RHS. Proof. Please subscribe me. Everybody progressive minded students you watch this videos and please subscribe me. And study only realize it. I have to analyze further this math article math solution. A cube plus b cube, a by a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b square minus b plus b square. This is the thing. So cos plus sin cos plus sin cos square says this sin square turn into and cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. This means sin square theta cos 1. Sin theta cos theta 1 by 2 sin theta. 1 by 2 sin theta. R says proof. Please watch this, realize this and study properly. I have to analyze further. I am a chemistry master in Chicago University, inorganic chemistry masters. My main subject is chemistry, but my subject is physics math. So I am acknowledged about math. So please watch this video and study properly. Subscribe me, please subscribe me. Thank you very much, everybody. Progressively subscribe. I have to a cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube a plus b a square minus a b plus b square. Sin square cos square sin theta cos theta 1 minus sin theta cos theta. I have to gain 1 by 2 2 sin theta cos theta. 1 by sin theta 2 sin theta cos theta sin theta. R is proof. Please watch this. Subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. All this video and subscribe me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody.